Welcome to the next N-Scale Friday. This N-Scale Friday is kind of special because the reason we have N-Scale Friday at all has to do with the person who sent me these nice looking pine trees. These trees are made by Bob Lacey of Longshadows trees, and these represent the newest trees that he's put out on his line of trees. He makes trees for N-Scale and HO, and I have to say they're pretty nice trees. But the backstory is Bob was a special guest celebrity on the Tehachapi Chasing Trains episode that came out, I don't know, when was that? About a year ago? Something like that. And I actually got to see his process in his area where he works in his workshop making trees like this. So I thought, what better way to celebrate N-Scale Friday than to have the guy who dubbed it N-Scale Friday, that would be Backroads Bob, to have his trees on here. So I asked him to send me some of these and told him I'd show them off, because he's been making trees like this for a long time. So let's take a look. Alright, so I took one of these out of the foam that I had them stuck in. This is the larger of the two. I want to show you how it's made. You can see there's a post that he starts off with, and it has a trunk, right, that's actually detailed here. And then if you look very carefully, you can see each one of these branches is inserted by hand into a drilled hole. So Bob's drilling, I couldn't guess, probably 50 or 60 holes into each tree and placing each individual branch into a hole. One of the advantages to doing your trees like this is that no two trees would ever be the same, because each one has its own trunk, which you've randomly drilled the holes into and placed different size branches. The flocking will go on differently every time. So thanks, Bob, for sending the trees. I want to mention that you can find these trees on eBay. It's probably easier just to go to longshadowsmodeltrees.com, or you can call Bob, area code 661-599-9457. And he told me that anyone who places a phone order gets a 5% discount. So that might be worth doing. These are $3.39 a piece. And as you can see, once again, from looking at them, they're all going to look different from each other. So that's it from my workbench today on N-Scale Friday. Join me next time there's an N-Scale Friday. I'm kind of expecting some stuff for next week. I don't know for sure it'll get here in time. But anytime I get something for N-Scale Friday that I want to show off, that Friday there will be an N-Scale Friday. That's how this works. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.